Welcome back, guys, to part 2 of the Beeswax series. If you haven't seen part 1, I'm going to put a link at the top right hand of the screen, and check out our YouTube channel for more beekeeping videos and just to keep up with what we got going on. But right now we are measuring out our carrier oil, and our carrier oil is coconut oil. It is orange because it is beta carotene carrier oil, and it looks very close to the same color of the beeswax. So I'm not going to give out the measurements on our specific recipe. You can look up several recipes online and average up 3 or 4 of those recipes to get one that works for you. We also have to measure out the amount of beeswax. It takes a little bit of adjusting because we have different size molds that holds the beeswax, and sometimes we'll use the beeswax to melt back down and paint back on the frames, but in this case we're going to make wax melts, guys. So the first step is to double boil it. We use a measuring cup that holds 4 cups of water. We're just going to put in the beeswax and let it heat up. We're also going to add the oil in to help speed that process up too, to get it nice and liquefied. That way we can add all of our other things. We have several different essential oils that we're going to be trying out today. We just ordered these wax cube molds. They hold 6 beeswax cubes, wax melts, and we're going to add roses to these particular beeswax melts. We're also going to be adding some rosemary to some of them and orange peels to some of the other ones. We have to measure out our essential oils. There's several different sites that you can order essential oils from, but we have our wax ready to go. We want to check the temperature, and it's ideal to get your wax down to 120 to 125 degrees before you mix the essential oils for 2 full minutes, and then you can pour into your wax melt shells and let cool. It takes 2 weeks for the beeswax melts to kind of cure before you can market them or use them, but that's basically how we make the beeswax melt. So thank you guys for checking out the video. There will be more videos coming out in the beeswax series, including our labeling videos and making other products. So if you like the video, hit the like down below, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell for updates on future videos, and stay cool, guys. That's it.